Okay, here's a video on some refrigerator fan motors. I just bought a new one because I pulled a derp on this one and the wire connection terminal thing broke off, which I knew was going to happen because when I got it, or when I found it rather, it was already loose. So that finally gave out, and it would be way more of a hassle and more of my time than it's worth to fix it. So I just went around and I got a new one off eBay for a couple of dollars. It's a slightly different variation of it. Let's see here. The original one is a 5KSP51AZL 752A, and this one is also a 5KSP51AZL, just it's an 847. It's a clockwise rotation. The counter, the specs are all the same, so it should do. But anyways, these counter clockwise rotation ones seem to be a very scarce species. I have another one. My grandfather gave me this when he got a new refrigerator. This is the this one's. Wait a minute. This one is clockwise too, but this one, oh, that's right. The odd thing about this one is that it has a different blade pitch to it. This is the more typical blade, and it mounts on the motor like this. So it mounts opposite of the other blade. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold, so sorry if my voice sounds all screwed up, that's why. But it mounts on there like this. So this is the common setup. This is actually the odd one, and I'm just realizing that now. But anyways, nonetheless, I finally found another one that takes this blade, and here it is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and wire it up, and we can test it and make sure it works. Okay, got it hooked up here. It's temporary wiring just for testing. I'll get something better. I mean, this is not really professional, but we'll get something better. It's just ground. We'll get something better when I actually wire it up for use. I'm not going to replace the fan today because I don't have time. I'll do this another time. But if I was to use this, the fan would be mounted that way. So it would be sitting like right here. Well, it'd be like this. And it would actually move the air out the window in the bathroom. This is like I custom built this for the bathroom window because it's an odd size. But it works really well. It does a good job. It's got a little dust on there, but what's interesting now is I got to find some way to interchange these fans. This one and this one. This one, my grandfather gave me this one because he got a new refrigerator a few weeks ago. This one blows in, so this one blows out. So now I can, maybe even do a dual setup. I got to make a whole new thing though. I don't know. We'll figure that out later. But anyways, let's just plug it up and test it. Whoops. It's actually a pretty powerful little fan. Let me see if I can get my, where's my thing here? The reason I like these fans so much is that they're so quiet. The other thing I may do with this intake one over here is I may make this into a unit for the bedroom window and have something to run oh man, on those nice cool summer nights and be able to sleep still. But anyways, so these really do push quite a bit of air. It's impressive. But anyways, so there you have it. It's my refrigerator fan, window contraption thing. Show the spin down time. I think the spin down time on that motor is a little bit better, but at least this motor works. Since it's already broken, we might as well at least look inside there. You'll see right here, that's one of the wires that broke off, and then there's the other wire right there. The piece that came out is still on the cord here. I got to take that off, but it's this piece right here. And to try to get that back in there and solder it up properly is just not going to happen. So, and you can see this thing. This is what I was talking about. How this broke. This was broken like this when I got it. Come on, focus. This was broken like this when I got it, so I knew that it was just a matter of time before this whole thing just came out and broke entirely. But anyways, this is the cord that I have for this device. Nice and long so it can run out of the way in the bathroom over to the outlet. But anyways, I'll get this unit set up. Well, it's winter time now, so I'm in no rush on it, but I'll get this set up in the next few months, and then when springtime comes around and I'm actually using it again, I'll make another video. But until then, that's all for now. Over and out.